ha 22 anni, è di nazionalità moldava ma vive da 7 anni in Italia. Lavora come commessa ma la sua passione è la fotografia, infatti collabora con diversi fotografi in Veneto.
Your love, yeah. So dance with me. Dance, dance, dance. Girl, I've missed your love, yeah. So dance with me. That's right. Dance, 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 dance. Dance with me. Dance all night long. Dance with me. I've been lonely when you're gone. In a way that I can't explain. Yeah, love can bring you down, 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 down. I've been lonely when you're gone.